What's going on, guys? Back again with another quick update video of my 1986 Trx250r. I got the bike blown up out of Florida when I was staying in Georgia. I got it blown up for like $1,200. Guy was just looking to get rid of it. Bottom end was locked up. It was missing a few pieces, but I got it. I put it up for a little bit, and I took the motor down to Cane Brake Racing out of Georgia. They are real big on TT and flat track racing. And I got him, I got Kenny to build me a Trx250r non-power valve motor. I have a hot rod crank in it. It's welded, it's nothing special. Kind of, it was a budget build. I always wanted a 250R. So I talked to him about the setup. That's pretty much just a hot rod stroker crank in the bottom end. 78 bore piston. It's a so it's a 363 LED pipe. It's a LED big bore pipe. What is it? 390 power valve pipe, and that cylinder is port matched to that. All port for top end power, and a 39mm carburetor. I need a 41.5 on it, which I will get soon. I was kind of gonna do a drag build, but then I got lost and wanted to kind of do some, kind of like a little bit of both. I want to go in the woods a little bit and be fast. So this is the way it sits at the moment. Well, let's see if we can get it fired up. She cold, by the way. I ain't been started. I know y'all said it shouldn't be so hard to kick, but yeah, it is. Let's see what we got. First kick. Uh-oh. Oh, it won't idle because I need a new carburetor, but let me get it back fired up. She's still cold. Running. So it gave us some more. It's all good though.
I thought you wanted to shut it down.
Yeah, no, rear that bitch up. But I was just giving you guys a better walk around view of the bike. Appreciate you.